Hello, hey there. My name's Donté Killion, and first of all, I just want to say thank you for opening up this video and giving me a few minutes of your time. Now, I put together this short video for you because I want to show you exactly how I think I can help you make a bunch of money for your massage services using social media advertising and a couple of groundbreaking tools that I'm about to share with you inside of this video. Now, you're probably thinking, who the heck am I? But as I said, my name is Donté Killion, and I help local massage therapists generate new leads and acquire new loyal customers using social media. So check out this short video on exactly how I can help you grow your business exponentially and achieve rapid growth of new loyal customers. So here it is. Check out the video and let me know what you think. Okay, so the first thing we do is we want to find your dream customers on Facebook. Okay, so by dream customer, I mean the people that come to visit you the most, that pay you the most amount of money, that you absolutely love seeing, love serving, and love helping. We're going to find those people on Facebook and we're going to send you a whole bunch more of those particular types of people, or types of clients, should I say. So the way to do that is we use Facebook advertising, okay? So on Facebook, we can target people based on their location within X amount of miles. So we can put a specific postcode in there, depending on the location of your company, we would of course tailor this to that location specifically. But let's just pick a random postcode and let's just say we wanted to target that particular postcode. We could, or we could target a street, or we could target an area, any location, and we can target those within X amount of miles. Okay, so we can really narrow this down so we're not just showing your advertisements to everybody in the whole of the United Kingdom, because we know they're not going to come see you. So we want to keep that down to probably around a 10-mile radius. We can target people based on their age, so if they're 25 to 55, but we can go broader than that if we really wanted to, so depending on your ideal client. We can target people based on whether they've got an anniversary coming up within the next 30 days, whether they've got a birthday coming up within the next 30 days, or whether they're close friends of women or men with a birthday in the next 7 to 30 days. There's a load more options that we can use within this targeting section to ensure that we show these ads to the people that are most likely to purchase your services. So we're not just blasting an ad out to every random person on Facebook. We're making sure that we select the right people to see these ads. So for example, this one's going to display to 13,000 people that are having a birthday coming up or an anniversary coming up within the next 30 days. And we know that people that have those kind of events tend to do things a little bit more spontaneous and either buy a friend something like a massage, or they ask their partner to buy themselves a massage for their anniversary or something of that nature. So these are just some ideas, but there's a load more things that we could do. Okay, we can target people based on how much income they earn. We can target people based on any interest in your competitors. We can target pretty much anything you can think of on Facebook. It is possible. So, the sky is the limit when it comes to advertising and targeting your dream customer. Now, once we find the people that are most likely to purchase your services, we place an ad on their newsfeed similar to this one. So it says, did you know that a 60-minute massage treatment is about the same as 8 hours of sleep to your body? Hey, I'm blank from blank, and I have over 6 years experience in massage and beauty therapy. I've recently opened my new salon in Rushden, and to celebrate, I'm giving away 10 vouchers for 50% off any massage of your choice. So if you want to relieve stress, reduce pain, and simply want to pamper yourself to an uplifting and rejuvenating massage in just 60 minutes, then click download immediately to claim your 50% off voucher before they run out. Now, this is an ad that I put together for a client of mine recently, and it's done extremely well. As you see, we reached over 5,000 people. We spent just £100 on this little ad here, and we're able to generate 73 new leads and customers as well, which will be loyal customers off of the back of it. So it's an extremely profitable ad, and I just wanted to share this with you because we could utilize something similar to this for you as well. Again, we would customize the offer based on your current offers that you run to make sure it's more, up your street. But this is just an idea. So that is the type of ad. And again, this is the headline: 50% off any massage of your choice. Offer available to first-time visitors only. And there's only 10 vouchers available for this particular ad, but we actually generated a load more interest, so we kept it running. This one here is a download button, okay? So once they click this button, excuse me, once they click this button, we're going to take them over to the second part of the ad, and I'll show you that right now. So once somebody clicks the download button, there's a various range of strategies that I've got that we can follow through with. But here's just one I want to share with you, which I think is it is groundbreaking, and I think you're actually going to love it. So we can use Facebook Messenger and something called Mobile Wallet to provide customers with immediate offers and build loyalty. So we can replace Groupon with something that can be more effective, and it can save you a ton of money whilst also making you a bunch of money at the same time. So let me just share exactly what would happen. So imagine you just click the download button right here. Okay, now this would fire off a message directly to you in Facebook. So let me just share my phone with you now. Okay, so I'll just get off of Facebook. So this would send a message to you now over here on Facebook. So this would send it to potential clients that are going to do this through Facebook. So the end user. So they receive a message, say, "Hey Donté, thanks for taking us up on this special offer. Please click on the more info button below to claim this offer." And underneath this card, underneath this information, you can probably hear my little boy here. Underneath this information is going to have more. Underneath this picture is going to have more information on your product and service. Okay, so this is just a demo, but once we fill it in with your information, we'll have more specific features to your product and your service. So they click more info, and then what's going to happen is they're going to receive a message which says, "To claim this special offer, simply click the buy now button below to be taken to a secure payment platform, and will deliver your voucher direct to you in Facebook Messenger." Again, it will have a little bit of information and then a buy now button underneath. So what we can do is we can use something that is extremely new. You may never have seen this as yet, but now Facebook Messenger have recently launched the ability to take payment directly inside of Facebook Messenger. So no longer do you have to send somebody to a third-party website such as your own or to a PayPal checkout page. We can literally do everything you need to right there in Facebook Messenger. So we will be able to pop in an email address. So I just pop mine in there. They can pop in a phone number. So again, I'll just pop mine in there. And we can select what we ask them for. So we don't have to take their mobile number if we don't want to. And then what I do is put their card information in. So I'll put a demo card number in there. All right. 1, 2, 3, and then it says pay £20. Okay, so whatever your product is going to cost, we can get prepayments. Okay, prepaid products and services, right? So this is just like Groupon, so people will pay up front, and you don't have to wait until they come into the store. The way that things are moving forward with Mobile Wallet is prepayment, just like Groupon. So what will happen is a couple of things. You'll receive a notification that somebody has just purchased this product. Okay, and you'll receive a message that says, "So thanks Donté, hold tight whilst we create your pass for you. It will be with you shortly." You see the payment notification just there, and then it says, "Donté Killion just purchased 60-minute full body massage." Okay, so that's going to happen. And then what's happening now, so it's creating the pass. So in the background, we've got some automation set up that's going to now create this Mobile Wallet pass. It's going to allocate a serial number, and it's also going to store all information into a sheet. So what we will do is send the information of all the customers to this Google sheet, so you can you can log in and you can see everybody that's purchased and their details. So here, this is the pass serial number. You'll see the pass in a second, so this will make more sense. We've got a URL for the pass when they created it, and we've got a redemption link so you can redeem these passes when they come to you in store. So let's just go back to my phone now. Okay, so it's created the pass. It sent me a message here now. So it says, "Hey Donté, thanks for purchasing our offer. Here's your purchase code and receipt." So it's got a serial number right there for the receipt. And you can download your voucher below and add it to your mobile wallet. If you're buying it as a gift, there's no problem. Just share this, but just use the share button below and send to any of your Facebook Messenger contacts for them to redeem themselves. All right, so I'll just stop right there. So what somebody can then do is click download voucher, and then it's going to load up. Now on iPhone, they have this the wallet app installed on their phone automatically out of the box. So you can't get rid of it. On Android, they may need to install a third-party app, which is free anyway, but it just may need to be an additional step. And this is a demonstration, a demo pass I've created so you can see what it would look like. Again, this will be personalized to your brand in more detail and signed off by yourself. But what we've got is just a little bit of information on there. So thanks for the purchase of the offer, deluxe massage treatment, and then please tap below to book. So they click the little icon in the bottom right hand corner, and then what we've got is some terms and conditions that we can add on there. We've got the redemption link so you can physically redeem the passes, and we can add your telephone number, your Facebook page, your website, and whatever else we really want to put on there. It's up to us completely. So absolutely amazing stuff. And then what happens is somebody comes into you to purchase, to use this voucher, and you just click the redemption link. See that section right there? You click redemption link, and it loads up a little web view. It's password protected, so nobody can do this without you giving them the pass, and you can then redeem the voucher itself. So you would obviously receive the voucher. I would obviously give you the PIN number for this, which is just a 4-digit PIN code, and then you can open it up, and then you can redeem. Simple as that. And that redeems a pass. And then what I can then do is, once that redeems, it will then fire off a signal back to my system, which we can then use to either provide additional offers that says, hey, thanks for popping in and redeeming this offer. Here's another offer, say 10% off your second visit, or 20% off a facial, or something else. We can do it in a month's time. We can update and get it back a month later. Or we could use it to provide reviews. So we can say, hey, thanks for redeeming this offer. How did you rate your service? Please leave us a review. And then we can start building up more reviews on your Facebook page as well. So, you can pretty much do whatever you want with this. It's outside of Groupon. So like I said, you can save yourself paying Groupon half of the sale price. And it's a way that you can then build your own loyalty outside of Groupon. Simple as that. So that's effectively how we deliver those offers. And then once we've got that mobile wallet installed on their phone, around 20% of people delete those, 80% of people keep them on their phone forever. So once we've got them on their phone, we can then send push notifications directly to their mobile lock screen every single time you want to update or send out a new offer. So you no longer have to continue to pay for marketing. It's just a couple of clicks and a push notification will be sent to their mobile phone directly. It's extremely powerful mobile wallet. You may know that everything is going more towards digital. There's no cash. Of course, it went from cash to debit cards and credit cards. And now it's all becoming about Apple Pay, Android Pay, mobile wallet. And mobile wallet is a platform that saved Starbucks butt a little while back, using the Starbucks loyalty card. You may have seen them before. You can have things like boarding passes and event cards, all things like that saved inside mobile wallet. And this is just a new way to start getting on something that is extremely groundbreaking when it comes to advertising for local businesses. And it's proven, and so don't think you're the only one. It's not something that's new, but you'll be one of the very few that's using it for the type of service that you're providing. So that is a very good insight as to how that works. Okay, so that's effectively what we would do, is to collect payment upfront inside of Facebook Messenger, and then we can then send people another message which will say like, hey, thanks for installing your card, your pass, click here to book now. And then we can send them another message with a link to your calendar or to your website, so they can then go ahead and book their session as well. So this can happen on pretty much almost 100% autopilot. So all you do is have clients coming to visit you to redeem these vouchers and get a massage, as opposed to you potentially calling them up or whatever. I don't know exactly what your process is at the moment, but that's definitely something we can explore in more detail. So all you need to do is, if you're going to go through this flow, you should be able to go through this yourself. So at the bottom of this message, there's also next steps, which tells you what you can do. And it tells you about how I'm offering a free trial right now. So I would like to implement something like this for you for completely free. So all you need to do is click that button, and it will give you some more information about the free trial. Just click through, and then it will just send me a notification that you've requested a free trial. Just confirm your mobile number at the bottom. If that's the correct number, just tap it. If not, type your number back in the box below, and then it will send me your number, and then I can send you either a text or respond to you on Facebook or give you a call, just a quick one, and get some feedback from you, see how you found it, and answer any questions that you may have. and discuss how we can implement this inside of your business to start bringing you new qualified loyal customers. So like I said, my name is Donté Killion, and I'm a social media expert. I help local businesses generate new clients using social media advertising, and I would like to help you, and I would like to help you for free. So get in touch, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. All right, take care. Bye-bye.